it's definitely kind of eye-opening to see that happen to a place that you once lived and lived most of your life, and you know how quick it can just all be gone. This is not the first video that I intended to be on this channel. We're gonna start this with pretty much a disaster that happened in my childhood neighborhood. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little drive-through real quick and see how bad it is. I mean, it really sucks.
We'll probably come back some other time and see the aftermath of whenever they get it cleaned up and everything.
Stick around for the video, and yeah, that's all I got, guys. If you guys would like to see me get some better coverage on this, let me know in the comments section. I can go do that and actually get better footage. I just wanted to do a drive-through today. I didn't want to get in people's way because I know this is the first day that, you know, like recovery day. It's going to be recovery months, but on the first day, that's a little much to, you know, go walking around with a camera. But I can do it. Just didn't want to do it today. Let me know if you want to see it. There's a lot more damage that I didn't show, so let me know in the comments. that's all just to say, if your family is still good after all that, be thankful. I know I definitely am. My family went untouched. Everybody that's relative to me, their house is fine, but clearly plenty of other houses are not fine, and plenty of other lives are not fine. Lives have just been ruined. Houses have been taken. People died from this tornado outbreak this weekend. And you know, really, I have seen and heard of a lot of tornadoes, but it's not something that has really ever happened over where I live. So just to see all these different tornadoes all at once to happen it's definitely kind of eye-opening to see that happen to a place that you once lived and lived most of your life, and you know how quick it can just all be gone. Definitely makes you appreciate the place more. One of the houses that were untouched ended up being the house that I grew up in. So to wrap it up, be thankful, guys. I'm out.